Now let us discuss the impact of migration on socio-economic structure of the society. Migration affects the size, structure, growth patterns of populations. It has effects on both the populations of the places that people live and on the population of those where they settle. The short-term impact may be little, but the absence of large number of either men or women for longer periods of time will have significant effects on population growth rates. Migration also impacts cultures and societies. Language, food, clothing, festivities get impacted in long run. For example, the culture of Poland is highly influenced by the German, Roman and the Latin cultures due to the presence of large number of migrants from these places of origin. Economies too get affected due to migration. When skilled or innovative workers migrate to developed countries, they are able to earn more and are able to send good amount of money to their home. This will result in more remittances, that is the money sent by them from abroad. Greater emigration of skilled workers consequently leads to greater economic growth and welfare improvements in the long run. Now, for the receiving countries, the immigrants arrive with skills and contribute to human capital development. That means the people, those who come to a country, come with their skills and they contribute a lot to the development of that country, that destination country. Immigrants contribute more in taxes and social contributions too. Migration can have impact on politics in both the places which the people live or to those which they move to. One must also consider the impact of these emigrants and immigrants on the health. It results in better physical and mental health and longer life for migrants as a consequence of diet changes, access to better health services and safer work. But there can be deterioration in the physical and mental health of the migrant. Low income, poor or unbalanced diet and reduced exercise, psychological stress, dangerous jobs can adversely affect their lifespans. Now let us understand what is brain drain. The term brain drain means the movement of highly skilled and educated people from their country of origin to work abroad. Brain drain has become a major problem in developing countries as large number of educated and highly qualified people move to prosperous countries for higher wages and better working conditions. It reduces the number of dynamic and creative people who can contribute to the development of their country. Developing countries are missing an opportunity of wealth creation as more entrepreneurs are taking their investments abroad. But the question now arises that how can brain drain be controlled? It is believed that there is provision. When there is a provision of adequate working and living conditions in their own country, then that can reduce brain drain. Also, encouraging the emigrants or the expatriates to contribute their skill to the development of their home countries without necessarily coming back. Brain drain has some positive impacts also. First, immigrants are a vital source of income for many countries. Remittances, as already discussed, which are received by the developing countries are huge, and it contributes hugely to the GDP of the country, that is gross domestic product, which is the indicator of economic health of the country.